Reading scientific articles can be tricky. They are often long and full of complicated procedures and terminology. So, why read them? Scientific articles provide current or up-to-date information, whereas your textbook might be out of date. Scientific articles also explicitly state their methodology, which allows you to replicate their study, and they share a summary of their data and findings, which is helpful if you need exact results for your own research. You can critically evaluate their conclusions based on the data presented and determine if it is credible or relevant research. But how do you read a scientific article efficiently? You don't want to read a scientific article straight through. Instead, you want to break the article down into specific sections and read in the following order. Your first step is to read the abstract. This brief section at the beginning of the article will provide you with a concise summary of the author's research, results, and interpretations. This will help you determine if the article is relevant. Your second step is to read the discussion section. This section summarizes important results and formulates conclusions based on the data. They also mention how the results fit into the larger context of the field. Here you want to note if you agree with their conclusions, are there alternate conclusions, or are there weaknesses in their study? Your next step is to read the introduction. This will briefly explain the background of the research, why it was conducted, how, etc. In this section, you need to identify the big question: what's the point? What are the authors trying to answer with their research? This will help you understand the author's research story. Now read the results. This section shares the study's findings and the author's analyses, which can help you determine the study's significance. Pay close attention here to the charts and graphs. These are quick summaries of the data they collected and the sample size they used. Ask yourself, do the results answer the author's questions? Your final step is to read the methodology section. How did the authors approach answering this question? Do the methods seem appropriate for the question? Are their explanations thorough enough that you could confidently recreate their research? Other helpful tips for reading scientific articles include having a scientific dictionary ready to look up terminology you are unfamiliar with, skimming the article once, then going back through and doing a thorough read, taking notes this time, and looking up what other researchers in the field have to say about the study. Remember, if you need help, you can always ask a librarian.